Hey everyone, welcome back to Online Scam Advisor, your trusted channel for exposing scams and helping you shop safely online. Today, we're looking at a website called Therapet, a place selling pet calming products like dog and amp, cat calming diffuser kits, and dog calming spray. Many of you asked, is this legit or a scam? Let's find out. Therapet claims to help calm anxious pets using pheromone-based diffusers and sprays. Their website offers products that supposedly reduce stress in dogs and cats. The site is relatively new, reported to be registered in 2003, and has active social media ads promoting these products. Now here's where it gets interesting. There are mixed signals about legitimacy online. Some review sites show TherapetMD.com has a medium trust score. Not a perfect score, but not a total scam either. On places like Trustpilot, I found thousands of reviews. Many 5-star testimonials praising the products for calming pets. However, there are also 1-star reviews complaining that the product didn't work or that refund policies were vague. Meanwhile, online forums like Reddit include posts from people warning about confusing ads, possible fake tracking information, and slow or unresponsive customer service. The company is not accredited by the Better Business Bureau, and the BBB shows several recent unresolved complaints about delivery issues or refund problems. That doesn't mean everyone gets scammed. Many people seem to receive their products, but there are enough complaints that raise caution. Here's the honest truth. There are real purchases and customers who say it worked. But there are complaints about returns, delivery, and misleading ads. So right now, Therapet can't be labeled a total scam across the board, but it also isn't a fully proven, reputable brand like some big pet companies. If you decide to buy, do your research, read the fine print on refunds, and don't rely only on social media ads to make your decision. Thanks for watching. If you've used Therapet or want us to investigate another site, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Online Scam Advisor. Stay safe shopping online. Thank you.